everyone, this is Denise Botor and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, it's going to be a review on the White Republic Smart Teeth Whitening System.
So this is what the box looks like, and inside it you can find the user manual. There you can find yung mga different reminders nila and how you can use the product. And then, meron din yung teeth shade guide where you can input kung saang shade nagsimula yung teeth nyo, and then after 10 days, saan na siya nag-end para matrack nyo if pumuti talaga siya or hindi. And then, a thank you card from White Republic. And then, yung device na yung makikita nyo after that. So, the device also comes with a micro USB, but in my case, inattach ko na yung lightning adapter na kasama din dun sa device. They also have a USB Type-C adapter. And then lastly, they have a USB Type-A adapter. So, underneath all that, we have a pouch where you can put yung device if you're going to travel. Then 3 pieces of the teeth whitening pen, and then lastly a teeth desensitizing gel. So the first step is to rinse your mouth with water, and then after rinsing, grab the silver pen and then twist the bottom part to release yung whitening gel. After that, of course, you have to brush yung teeth nyo with the gel and make sure that everything is covered para pantay-pantay yung pagkakaputi niya. And then, of course, after that, you have to attach it to your phone or whatever device you're going to use. And then, lalagay nyo na yung device sa teeth nyo. After 16 minutes, automatic yan mag-off yung light.
So, I'm sorry guys if I wasn't able to film yung 10-day process ko. But what I can say is it's really effective. After 3 days, makikita mo na nag-whiten na talaga yung teeth mo. Actually guys, sinadya ko talaga mag-red lipstick today for you guys to see kung yellow pa ba yung teeth ko. Kasi most of the time, dyan natin nakikita yung pagka-yellow ng teeth natin kapag naka-red lipstick tayo. And as you can see, sobrang puti ng ipin ko. Ang ganda niya, guys. So, what I like about this product is it's very convenient. You can use it while you're applying your makeup, checking your phone, nag-scroll through social media, watching Netflix, fixing your hair, anything. Like, you can go on with your everyday routine na walang madidisrupt habang ginagamit ng product na to. That's how convenient it is. So, the second one would be, it's very easy to carry. Since very small lang yung pinaka-device niya, you can carry it in your bag. Actually, dun sa pouch na pinakita ko kanina, pwede mo ipasok dun yung device and then yung whitening sticks, tapos yung desensitizing gel, and you're good to go. I mean, you can travel, you can go to your friend's house, or wherever you want. Madali siyang kargahin talaga. The third one would be its price. It's very affordable. I remember kasi my brother went to a dentist, tapos nagpa-whiten siya ng teeth. And I think it cost him like 20,000 plus. Tapos itong device na to, it's only 3,199. To think na yung 3 sticks, like kasama na dun yung maintenance mo, kasi I don't think mauubos mo yun in 7 to 10 days. After 7 to 10 days kasi, magme-maintenance ka na. You don't have to use it every day. You can use it once a week. So yeah, it's very affordable. It's very, very affordable. The last one would be yung customer service. What I like about them is ang bilis na lang mag-reply. And if you have any concerns regarding your teeth, like asking them if it's suitable for you or not, mabilis sila mag-reply. And I think it's a plus kasi when you're using something like this, you have to have the assistance of someone who knows how to use this thing. Kasi nga, ipin yan. I mean, it's not something that you can hide kapag nasira. So, yeah, I think it's a very important aspect sa mga ganitong kind of products. So, I just want to quickly mention some important stuff para makapag-decide din kayo if para sa inyo ba tong product na to. Yung first one is it's not effective for ceramic or false teeth. You can ask yung White Republic mismo kung may veneers kayo or something like that. You can ask them if okay pa ba sa teeth nyo yun or not. I just wanna mention this para lang ngayon pa lang bago kayo makapag-order, malaman nyo if okay sa inyo to. So, it's not suitable for defective enamel and it's not recommended for children under 12 years old or for pregnant women or women who might be pregnant. There are a lot of stuff din na nakasulat sa manual nila na as reminders nila. Kaya lang some are too technical na hindi ko siya ma-explain kasi hindi naman ako dentist. So you can ask them directly. Lastly, this type of device would be best for those people who love coffee kasi yung mga, you know naman, mga coffee lovers, like nagsistain talaga siya sa teeth. It's actually one of the few reasons why nag-yellow yung teeth ko kasi I drink coffee twice a day. Yung ibang tao, like, if I'm not mistaken, nakakatatlo or 4 in a day. So, I think this one is perfect for you. Pati na rin yung mga mahilig mag-tea, this one would work best for you. Or sa mga meron ng edad na it's because of your age kaya nag-yellow na yung teeth nyo, this would be perfect for you. Other information about them would be linked below. Like, for instance, yung different reminders pa na hindi ko na-mention sa video na to. Nasa sa inyo na kung gusto nyo mag-message sa kanila. I will also leave a link down below kung saan pwede nyo mabili to. So overall, it worked for me. I hope it would work for you. And that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye!